Hello dear students, welcome to your favorite channel PVN Science Study. I am Dr. Pratap Naikwade. In today's video, we will study
Adulteration of Terminalia arjuna with Terminalia tomentosa. We will see morphological features as well as medicinal uses of Terminalia arjuna, as well as morphological features and medicinal uses of Terminalia tomentosa one by one. First of all, we will see why Terminalia arjuna is adulterated. Terminalia arjuna is one of the most accepted and beneficial medicinal plant in indigenous system of medicine for the treatment of various critical diseases. It is commonly called as Arjun tree. Terminalia arjuna belongs to family Combretaceae. It is used in the treatment of cardiac problems, fever as well as fractures. Terminalia arjuna plant has been traditionally used to treat heart disease for centuries, due to which it got the common name that is guardian of heart. Due to its high protective nature, it is named after the famous hero Arjun from the famous ancient epic Mahabharata. So, the name given to the plant is Arjuna plant. Terminalia arjuna is one of the few herbal medicines that has been recognized by all medical fields such as modern medicines, Ayurveda, homeopathy or functional medicine. There is always increasing demand of Terminalia arjuna, but it is less available, as well as the bark of Terminalia arjuna is sold at high prices. So, to increase the profit, bark of Terminalia tomentosa, which is cheaper, easily available and shows similar morphology, is used as adulterant. This is the bark of Terminalia arjuna and this is bark of Terminalia tomentosa. So this bark powder is used as adulterant in the bark powder of Terminalia arjuna. To fulfill market demand and to increase profit, adulteration is done by some people. Now we will see morphological characters of Terminalia arjuna. As you can see here, the Terminalia arjuna tree is large deciduous tree about 20 to 30 meter in height. Terminalia arjuna possesses a buttressed trunk and forms a wide crown of canopy. Its stem bears long branches which droop downwards. As you can see here, the bark of Terminalia arjuna is thick grey to pinkish green, smooth as well as thin. These are the leaves of plant. Leaves are usually subopposite, 10 to 15 cm long and 4 to 7 cm broad. Leaf base is rounded or heart-shaped, often unequal sided. Veins are reticulate, margin is crenate or serrate, and apex is obtuse, as you can see here. Leaves are oblong, green from top and brown from below side. This is the inflorescence and flowers of Terminalia arjuna. Flowers are small, produced in axillary spikes. Flowers are sessile, pale yellow in color. Calyx is glabrous and has 5 short triangular lobes. This is fruit of Terminalia arjuna. Fruit is fibrous woody drupe about 2.5 to 5 cm in size. As you can see here, it is dark brown when mature. It has 5 hard projecting veined wings. Flowering of Terminalia arjuna occurs from May to June. Fruit mature from January to March. Dear students, with this we have completed morphological characters of Terminalia arjuna. Now we will see medicinal uses of Terminalia arjuna. From the ancient time, Arjuna tree has been used in various Ayurvedic preparations. The bark of Terminalia arjuna is astringent, pungent, cooling, aphrodisiac and expectorant. Terminalia arjuna is chiefly used as cardiotonic as it improves blood supply to heart. Here you can see the cardiotonic which is prepared from Arjuna tree. Arjuna tree is useful in ulcer treatment, cirrhosis of liver as well as hypertension. Arjuna tree shows antibacterial, antimicrobial as well as anti-tumoral activity and so used for treatment of cancer. Apart from that, plant has anti-allergic, anti-fertility and anti-HIV activities or properties. Bark of Terminalia arjuna is boiled with milk. It is ultimate remedy for patients with bone fractures. Arjuna is also used for the patient suffering from loneliness, sadness and frustration. This plant helps in emotional balance and helps to decrease stress and trauma. Terminalia arjuna plays vital role in natural rejuvenation of the body. Arjuna tree possesses a very rare and unique property by virtue of which it balances all the three doshas, that is Vata, Pitta and Kapha at once. Bark of Arjuna tree is rich in tannins and shows great antioxidant activity. Arjuna tree is also used to treat bleeding gum, excessive bleeding from open wounds. It also shows therapeutic effect over respiratory system and it also supports to fight lung illness. Terminalia arjuna is also used to lower cholesterol level in the blood. It also helps to clean urinary infection. With this, we have completed medicinal uses of Terminalia arjuna. Terminalia arjuna is often adulterated with Terminalia tomentosa. Terminalia tomentosa is oftenly called Indian laurel or crocodile bark tree. This is the bark of Terminalia tomentosa. It looks like crocodile and so the name given is crocodile bark tree. Terminalia tomentosa also belongs to Combretaceae family. Even genus is same but the species is different. Earlier the species was Arjuna and here the species is tomentosa. Terminalia tomentosa in Marathi called as Ain, Asna, Satada or Shardul. As like Terminalia arjuna, the bark of Terminalia tomentosa also shows some medicinal potential. In the dried form, the bark of Terminalia tomentosa is adulterated with bark of Terminalia arjuna. This is non-harmful adulterant. That means even if it is adulterated with Terminalia arjuna, it does not cause problem to patient. Dear students, now we will see morphological characters of Terminalia tomentosa. These are some of the photographs of Terminalia tomentosa. As you can see here, Terminalia tomentosa is tall deciduous tree up to 30 meter in height. This is bark of Terminalia tomentosa. It is 50 to 20 millimeter thick. Surface is grayish black. It is very rough, deeply vertically fissured, horizontally cracked, forming tessellated thick flakes and blaze red in color. These are the leaves of Terminalia tomentosa. Leaves are simple, opposite to subopposite, exstipulate, petiolate, 10 to 20 cm long, stout grooved. The leaves are glabrous above and tomentose or pubescent from lower side, and hence the name given to the species is tomentosa. The leaf lamina is 30 to 20 into 5 to 13 cm in dimension. It is oblong or ovate or elliptical ovate in shape. The base of leaf is oblique. It has acute apex as you can see here, or sometimes it is round or obtuse. The margin is entire. It is glabrous. It contains midrib with two stalked glands near the base beneath. This is the inflorescence of Terminalia tomentosa. The inflorescence is terminal or axillary paniculate spike. This is peduncle of inflorescence. It is tomentose. Flowers produced are bisexual and dull yellow in color. Bracteoles are linear or subulate. Here, calyx tube is angled, base is pubescent. It is constricted above the ovary. It shows 5 lobes, ovate and yellow in color. In flower, petals are absent and stamens are 10 in 2 rows. Ovary is inferior. Ovules are 2 or 3 in number. Pendulous. Style is subulate and stigma is small. This is fruit of Terminalia tomentosa. The fruit is drupaceous, longitudinally 5-winged, glabrous. Wings are equal, thin, pubescent, and each fruit contains 1 seed. The flowering and fruiting period is from April to May every year. With this we have completed morphological characters of Terminalia tomentosa. Now we will see medicinal uses of Terminalia tomentosa. Terminalia tomentosa is known to possess various pharmacological activities like antifungal, antioxidant as well as anti-hyperglycemic. As it is anti-hyperglycemic, it is used to reduce the sugar level in blood. The plant also shows antidiarrheal and anti-leukeral properties. The bark decoction is astringent in nature and it is either taken internally or applied externally to cure diarrhea, ulcers, fractures, hemorrhage and bronchitis. The bark decoction is externally applied to treat indolent ulcers. Bark juice of Terminalia tomentosa is applied to treat wounds, cuts, skin diseases, diarrhea, as well as the bark is also used to treat anemia. The gum produced from Terminalia tomentosa is edible and it is used for the treatment of stomach disorders. Paste of the leaves is given in vomiting problem. Bark infusion of Terminalia tomentosa is used in menstrual disorders. Leaves of the plant are boiled and vapors are inhaled to relieve headache. These are the medicinal uses of Terminalia tomentosa. With this, we have completed adulteration of Terminalia arjuna with Terminalia tomentosa. Thank you.